I'm Bernina expert Amanda Murphy, and I'd like to show you how to use my every angle ruler. It's part of my line of good measure quilting rulers for Brewer sewing. So the every angle ruler is a basic ruler you can use to quilt straight lines, but it also has angle markings. So right here I've aligned the 45-degree line on the ruler with the edge of the block, so I'm getting a perfect 45-degree crosshatch. I'm traveling around my quilting area and coming back up, using the lines of the ruler to stay parallel to my previous stitching line. This ruler, like the other rulers in the line, has a non-skid backing and 2 colors of markings. Once I've completed the lines in one direction, it's time to go back and quilt lines in the other direction. So you can see right here I've actually quilted another set of 45-degree lines, and that's what it looks like. I can also use the every angle ruler to do 60-degree lines or 30-degree lines. So here I'm lining the line on my ruler with the edge of my stitching area. Here you can see all the angles I have. I'm going to use the 60-degree line for this particular exercise. I want to quilt diamonds, so 60-degree diamonds always look nice. So I use the line in the ruler to get the initial line of stitching, and after that I quilt more lines that are parallel to the first line. I'm traveling along the edge of the quilting area using my ruler. And this next line, I'm going to look at the lines along my ruler right here and make sure they're parallel to my previous stitching line. And once I've quilted the first set of lines, I can quilt a second set of lines using the 60-degree angle, but orienting the lines in the other direction. And that's how you can create a diamond crosshatch. I hope you like the every angle ruler.